In today's video, let's talk about the way that you use Gemini in Google Docs. Now, in order for you to have this feature, you need to subscribe to a premium plan. So once you're inside of the Docs section, you can click on the Gemini logo on the top, which says Try Gemini, and then you can click on the Try It Out option. Now, as I said previously, you need a plan, which is the One Google plan, which is the Google AI Plus plan, or any other plan that is being displayed. Only if you purchase this plan, you'll be able to use the Google Gemini inside of Google Doc. You can also get a trial version, which is the Google AI Pro. As you can see, it says $0 per month, and after 1 month hits, you're going to pay this amount. But however, if you want a free alternative, you can also try out other things and use a platform which is an extension called GPT for Sheets and Docs. What you can simply do is head over to extensions, head over to add-ons, click on Get Add-ons, and search for GPT for Sheets, and make sure you install this option, which is this extension which says GPT for Sheets. Once you install it, you can click on the extensions, right click on it, and then click on launch. And once you do this GPT for Sheets will be launched, where you can add in custom prompts, or you can also add some default options, as you can see. But make sure for most results you can select the custom option, and you can add any prompts that is related to the content being displayed or added inside of your Google Doc. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.